Hey everyone! So tonight, since my mom wouldn't let me put up our tree yet, me and my dad, we went to the store and we got some things. We got some sprinkles, some pineapple juice, some Hawaiian Punch, some Sprite, and some sherbet ice cream. And we're gonna make some Grinch juice. And I really hope it'll be good.
I come home from work and she's like, all right, Mom, since she ain't going to let me put up my Christmas trees, we're going to have to make you some Grinch Punch. Being funny, huh? I mean, she's all decked out. Look at her in her Grinch shirt.
We also bought the shirt. The hat I already had. But.
Yep, her hat says, I've been good. I don't know what y'all think. You think she's been good?
And we also bought some Stranger Things pizza. It's sausage, ham, and pepperoni for dinner, and we're gonna pop that into the oven.
You gonna get the box and show it to her? She told us that she might keep the box. She likes it. I doubt she will, but she might.
Oh
We haven't tried it. I don't know. It might be all right.
Ow. My elbow.
All right, so I'll hold your box and let you decide if you're gonna keep it or not. I like the whole vibe it's got going on.
I think first we should probably put the pizza in.
Yes, that'd be good.
Could you hand me hand mix things?
I can, but it's not hot yet.
Oh.
It's only when you're getting it out you need it.
Ooh, this oven's hot.
But if you want them, I'll get them to you. That's right. Look at you. You didn't even look scared this time. Good job.
All right, how long do I cook it for?
Oh, let's see.
It's on the box.
Let's see how well you can read directions.
It says bake for 21 to 23 minutes.
All right.
So, 21 or 23 or 22?
Go straight in the middle, 22. How about that?
Okay. Timer. Yeah.
Yay! I so wanted to say yes, but I thought I'm going to let her see if she can do it on her own.
What?
Oh, I almost bended your box.
Don't do that.
I'm sorry. I straightened it back out.
I can use it for a Christmas.
We're
To
gonna
box
put-
up a Christmas present. People think they're gonna get pizza.
Oh, and you might have just told on yourself, so now they won't know who gets it, right? So if you
It
open
ain't
it.
gonna be for me. It's gonna be for somebody else.
All right, I'm going to bring this camera in a little closer on her so you can see what she's
I
done
also
over
got
here.
this really cute little elf. From Walmart.
She got Lexi a new toy,
Yes, it's gonna be Lexi's toy.
but for now it's just going to sit here and
Look pretty, I guess.
bring this Christmas spirit on.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. We are doing 3 scoops of sherbet ice cream. And then the whole can of this pineapple juice, half Hawaiian, well actually half Sprite and then half Hawaiian.
Okay, so they can see you good. Let's swap. There you go. But still, yeah, there you go. They like to see you working.
There we go.
How many of those?
Half Sprite and
No, I mean, how many of those sherbet?
3 scoops.
3 scoops.
Oh, can you? No, I got it. I'll wait till that starts fizzing down and see how much I put in there. It's a lot of fizz. It looks like soap bubbles. Do I need to add a little more? It's not half.
Well, we can always do about the same in the green if you still want to add your pineapple.
Oh yeah.
And then you
true.
can always go back and just kind of eyeball it and add a little more of each if you need to.
More or less.
I would do a little bit more. There you go.
It's very green.
It's already got a cute green color.
They look like soap bubbles.
Now, pineapple, well, pretty much any juice usually has some condensation, so you want to give it a good little
Shake.
Yep.
Like canned milk or something.
Yep.
I've never had canned milk.
Condensed milk. Is that what you're
Yeah.
talking about?
Yeah, this is in a can.
Oh yeah, can. Okay.
This won't open. Oh wait, never mind.
Yeah, be careful putting your finger in it because some little corners will catch it.
Is it open?
Yeah, but I don't know why it did it like that.
I don't know.
So the safe way, if it ever does that, so like what happened is it didn't pop it all the way that it started.
Get a knife and
Yeah, but now you gotta hold on to it. You don't want to dump all your juice everywhere. Hold on, they probably want to see you. That's big enough that it'll pour
Ooh.
out.
do I put this over here?
Yeah, don't put it in your sherbet though. Just lay it down.
Okay.
Oh, that looks limey now. It looks cute. All right.
And then I'm
Let's
gonna
do
add a little bit more Sprite and a tad bit more Hawaiian. That's cool. It's just like,
Is this your first time making any punch? I figured it was, because I don't usually make punch. I think y'all were being cute making me some Grinch Punch, huh?
Do I need to get a spoon to stir it?
Sure.
Okay.
I don't think that's going to be quite long enough, though. I'm going to get you a...
Oh yeah, a bigger spoon. Thank you.
You're welcome. I bet you're excited about the Christmas movie, huh?
We haven't really decided what we're watching yet.
Have you already told them the options? What you
Um,
were thinking?
I was thinking Christmas Vacation, which is a favorite around here. I was thinking Christmas Vacation, Elf, maybe Home Alone, and A Christmas Story.
All of those are good options.
Last year, my dad, we were watching, what was it? Was it December already, or? I don't know, we were watching,
Oh, I know what you're talking about.
the part where the dad is in the he got stuck up in the attic, so he's watching home videos, wearing the robe and the scarf thingy and all that. And my dad comes into the house wearing the exact same thing and just sat on the couch and finished the movie with it. It was so funny.
Yep, he had put on my bathrobe and wrapped up his head and everything. He looked just like him sitting up there watching them home videos in the attic. Well, I say we watch that one tonight. That one's always a good one. All right, that's plenty stirred, baby. You're ready to
Well, I
drink.
just wanna double check. All right. You want me to put this in the sink?
Yes, please.
I don't want it to spill.
All right, now you have to show them. Let me get this sherbet in the freezer before it starts.
Yeah, it's already a little.
I know, it's
creamy.
already. Here we go.
Here, I'll go put
Yes,
some
you
sink.
take it. We'll tag team this cleanup.
Okay.
Easy peasy.
And as you can see, we already have our sprinkles around the rim, the cup, to make it a little bit more festive.
Let's show them. Let's make sure they get a good visual.
Oh yeah, and we have another
Ooh,
cup.
I'm
too.
sorry, I didn't mean to bump the camera. Look
We
how
have this one, too.
cute. All right, you show them yours. But she did both of them anyway. Her and her dad, they had this set up when I got home.
I hope you like it.
Oh, sure I will.
Ooh, that one's
Oh, I want to make sure they
dear.
can.
Oh dear.
Are you spilling it?
Yep, it's on the floor.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Here, hold on. Sorry about that.
It's
It
okay.
came out really, really fast.
I
was
knew
like,
it was
"Whoa."
going to. I knew it was fixing to happen, but sometimes you learn what to do or not to do just by making the wrong mistake
Pictures
first.
themselves come out really fast. Maybe we should put a lid on it. Would that help?
Baby, it don't come with a lid.
Well, we can get a lid to. We probably have a lid somewhere.
No, you don't have a lid to fit that. That's like a special shape and all. Let me get it. Hang on. Let me get it. Back up just a little bit.
That's very
So
sticky.
you don't step in it. Oh yeah, because it's sugar. It is sticky, but it's okay. It cleans right up. I'll get my spray but in a few minutes. But
I tried to go slower. I think I went a little. I didn't know it would come out that
so what
fast.
happened is, like, you want to go slow so it comes out this little bitty part. You don't want it to overcome. You know what I'm saying? Like, just go slow and it comes out in a smaller
Can
stream.
you hold the cup so that I feel more secure?
I want you to try doing it by yourself. I'll be happy to, but I think you can do it. There you go. And the more you do by yourself, the more confident you'll get. Oh no, that is too cute. I will help swap out your cups if you want
We
me
have
to.
a lot of juice left.
Oh, that's so cute.
You want to try it?
I do.
That's what it looks
Make
like.
sure I back up the camera. They can
Very
see both
crunchy.
of us.
I hope you like it. I hope it's not like sour. Oh, is that your cup?
Oh, I don't know. It don't matter. You were just holding that one, so I was going to reach for
I'm
this one.
scared to.
Okay, are we gonna
Crinkly
cheers
sprinkles.
to the Christmas
If we
season?
cheers, it may.
Well, I'm not gonna beat your cup very much.
There.
Okay, cheers. I love you and happy holidays. We're still gonna celebrate Thanksgiving though.
Whoa.
The sprinkles get on your bottom lip, and it's kind of surprising, huh?
Mm-hmm.
I guess that's what a man with facial hair would feel like. I don't know. It feels weird on my.
I don't like facial hair.
Mm-mm. Well, I hope you and I don't ever have to worry about that.
If my husband ever has facial hair, I'm gonna make him shave it.
You say that till you fall in love one day. Y'all saw that look. That means that's never gonna happen, huh?
The falling apart, that may happen, but the whole facial hair,
We can't drink it all. We gotta take pictures.
Oh, yeah. I just want to know this.
Oh, you can have all you want. I just want to get some cute pictures while our cups are full. Wait, we got to make sure our cups are separate. Okay. This one has the little clumps of red around it.
We also bought a gingerbread house to make a gingerbread village.
Ooh.
It's mini villages.
But not tonight, right? We get to watch a movie tonight? Yes.
I'll go hop on my Christmas pajamas. Oh, I have you know my onesie, my Christmas tree onesie? I should wear that for Christmas morning this year.
Absolutely.
That'll be so funny. It just, the stars on top of my head.
She has a onesie with a Christmas tree with a star up on the top. I think, didn't we find that for you last year? She loves
Like
Christmas.
2 years ago, dirt cheap.
Yep.
Dirt cheap is the place to shop.
That's right.
That's
We
why
told-
that's why we got the space backpack for Raptor.
That's it. The space backpack on the walking video.
She loves that thing though.
Yep. All right. Let's see.
Wait, which cup is which?
Oh, mine had the red gloves.
Oh, okay.
So hang on. You get your phone and let me take pictures, and we'll take pictures while we're on video.
Lexi's gonna
So they can
enjoy
see.
her new little buddy.
She sure will.
I told her before we left. I said, Lexi, me and Daddy are going to town. I may bring you back some.
Oh.
And I did.
Kept your word, huh?
I was gonna get her this gingerbread stuffed animal that had a cherry on top, but Dad said the head looked a little deformed, so we got that elf instead.
It might have been smushed in the packaging.
Probably.
All right, let's see. All right.
It's so cute.
It is very cute, Kaitlyn. 1, 2, 3. Let me turn it where you can see more of the red. I think I might have taken a picture where I had drank.
I wanted to get Lexi a little Christmas dress that had doggy ones there, but I didn't. I figured it was way too early for that.
To put your dog in a Christmas dress?
It's not even Thanksgiving yet.
That's right. You got to.
She would need a turkey dress before she had a Christmas dress.
All right, let's see. Maybe that'll be a cute enough picture for all of you guys. I'll put it on our
It's very
story.
cute.
It's very cute, Kaitlyn. Good job.
Oh, our pizza has 9 minutes left. I'm so hungry.
9 minutes. I'm sure y'all don't care anything about what our pizza looks like, but I will do a video on it as well and let you know what it tastes like. Just for the story. We won't.
We're Stranger Things decked out. We have the pizza and Eggos.
All right. Got you some Stranger Things Eggos too? All right.
Well, they're not the Eggos because they're the chocolate chip kind. But,
Oh.
They're still Eggos.
All right. Well, y'all have a wonderful night.
Bye.
Hope y'all enjoyed our little Christmas whatever
Video.
Christmas Grinch Punch. That's what it is. There's yours. Here's mine.
It's very green. I'm just gonna
Enjoy y'all's Grinch Punch if you make some. It's good. Be prepared to have some red sprinkles right here. You may want to leave you one little spot undone if you don't like the feeling of that.
It surprised me the first time I said
Yeah,
that.
it was awkward with it touching the... But it was good. And let's see. Now what to do with all these sprinkles.
Oh, Dad, we bought
I didn't even scare her. I made it look like I was fixing to throw it in your face. You didn't even
we
jerk.
bought some elf cookies.
Oh,
I can show them. They're in the fridge.
okay.
But we can use the rest of the sprinkles on the cookies. Cause Anna likes sugar cookies. She doesn't like chocolate. So that's why.
She's okay with, look at that.
They're very cute.
I mean, y'all went all out, didn't y'all?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, that sounds good.
too. All right. I hope y'all enjoyed. Bye.
Bye.